Hi, in this lesson we're going to practice on date, cal, and other system-related command. Date command prints current date and time. Date and dateu commands bring the same results. So let's check it. Date and dateu. As you see, all of these are the same. There is another command which displays current date and time in a white result. It's a timeDateCTRL command. As you see here, local time, universal time, RTC time, time zone, and so on. So, let's talk about cal command. Cal means calendar, and cal command is used to display a calendar in your shell. By default, it will display the current month. So let's check it. So February month and 15. If we type cal-help command, we can see other options of this command. As you see, options, without any arguments, cal command displays current month. If we type cal-1, it will show us current 1 month. If we type cal-3, it will show us the first 3 months of the year. And if we type cal-y command, it will show us whole of months of the year. So, this is the end of our lesson. See you next lesson. Bye.